Okay, this is the maths homework for this week. The question says calculate the probability of each spin. So this is, if you need to imagine that this is a spinning circle, okay? It spins around this way, and if the number spins around and lands in this spot is a 1, for example, what's the probability of the number being a 1? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There's 13 numbers on this particular wheel. What's the probability that the number 1 will land in this spot here if I spin the wheel around? So to answer that particular question, we need to think about total outcomes. That's how many total numbers are on this wheel. And we counted those, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 total outcomes. The number 1 here appears in one space. So if I want the number 1 to finish in this spot, there's a 1 in 12 chance that will happen. Now if we look at the numbers here, and it's asking us what's the probability that the number is going to be greater than 12. If we look on the wheel here, there are no numbers that are greater than 12. So the probability would be 0, which is the favorable events, which is a number that's greater than 12. And there are 12 possible events. So the probability of the number being greater than 12 equals 0 out of 12. The second one here, what's the probability the number is less than or equal to 4? Okay, less than or equal to 4. Now the total outcomes, there are 12 total outcomes here. So how many of those outcomes are less than or equal to 4? It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 2, the 1, the 3, and the 2. These numbers are all less than 4. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 favorable outcomes out of 12. And we can simplify that to a 1 in 3 chance. Okay, so it's a 1 in 3 chance that the number will be less than 4. Here we've got to calculate the probability of each spin. So what's the first one is what's the probability the number is greater than 12, so that's 0 in 12 chance. What's the probability that it's less than or equal to 4? We found there's 4 chances here, 1, 2, 3, 4 chances where the number is less than or equal to 4 out of a total of 12, so that's a 1 in 3 chance. Okay, the next one, what's the probability that the number is less than 3? Okay, the number is less than 3. This number is less than 3, this number is less than 3, this number is less than 3. So there are 3 instances here out of a total of 12. Okay, if you have any questions, please come and see me during the week. Thank you.